Hi guys, welcome to our S&E Quick Tips video series, where we share helpful industry tips for you to use and incorporate into your next project. Today's topic is taking control of your homepage priorities and content. We often see clients struggling with their homepage because over time they'll tend to just keep adding more and more content there, but before you know it, the homepage might morph into a bit of a cluttered mess that could be overwhelming for your users to navigate. And since your homepage is your first impression to your audience, it's so important to maintain control over what gets displayed there and ultimately how it's serving your end users. So let's run through some specific ways to prioritize your homepage content. First, identify the main objectives or tasks you would want your primary audience to be performing on your site. This could be having them fill out a form, requesting more information, or simply just building more awareness and engagement with your brand. Once you've identified those most high priority tasks, begin to fine-tune your messaging and layout to best serve those tasks. And this also means eliminating anything that doesn't help your users in meeting those key objectives. A common challenge that we see is when organizations have internal departments that want their hand in what goes on the homepage. They want their own content featured there, but when not managed well, this is where a lot of homepages could go wrong. They become too cluttered and hard to navigate, which would instantly turn your users away. So try to set clear boundaries with your team around how and where to intentionally feature this kind of department-specific content in a way that feels organized and purposeful. And at the end of the day, always be sure to save your prime real estate for your core message and objectives. That way, that's what shines through as the hero of your homepage. That wraps up today's quick tips. Hopefully you find them helpful. Please tune in for more tips and let us know if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in the future.